Today we will be learning exercise 1.1 problem 1 from the chapter Matrices and Determinants. Let's look it up.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to see 12th State Board Syllabus Matrices and Determinants exercise 1.1 problem 1 and this is video number 1. This is our first video in 12th standard State Board Syllabus. Okay? Now before going to the exercise we need to know about some concepts. Let's take a matrix A1, A2, A3 and A4 and if we want to find adjoint of A, how can we do that? First we have to find cofactor of A. Okay, before finding adjoint A, we need to find the cofactor of A. There is a sign convention for cofactor of A, that is plus minus minus plus for 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, first we have to find a cofactor of A1. A1 is in first row and first column, so neglecting that there is only A4. So we have to use a sign convention plus, so plus A4. Now we take A2. We have to find cofactor of A2. It is in row 1 but it is in second column. We have to remove all these elements and we have only A3 as remaining, and using sign convention minus we are writing minus A3. Now we have to find cofactor of A3. It is in first column second row, so only A2 is remaining. I am using sign convention minus, so minus A2. Now we have to find cofactor of A4. A4 is in second row first column. So eliminating that, the remaining is A1. Using the sign convention plus, I am writing plus A1. Clear? This is how find cofactor. But we need to find adjoint A, right? So what is adjoint A? We have to make the row 1 of the cofactor into column 1 and row 2 into column 2. That is the adjoint A. Here row 1 is A4 minus A3. I am making it as column 1. And row 2 is minus A2 plus A1. I am making it as column 2. Okay, I am making the row into column. This is the adjoint A. Okay. Now we can use this and solve some problems. First we have to find the adjoint for the matrix minus 3, 4, 6 and 2. Let's take this as A. First we have to find the cofactor of A. Okay, I am taking this matrix as A. I am going to find the cofactor of A. I have already said what is the sign convention, plus minus minus plus. Okay, now let's find the cofactor of A. First let us find the cofactor of minus 3. Where is minus 3? Row 1, column 1, and eliminating these numbers, what is remaining? 2. So what is sign convention? Plus. So plus 2. Now we have to find the cofactor of 4 and it is in row 1 and column 2. So eliminating 3, 4 and 2, 6 is remaining. So I am using sign convention minus and I am writing minus 6. Okay. Now let's find the cofactor of 6. Where is 6? It is in row 2 and column 1. Okay. On eliminating that, I have only 4. I am using sign convention minus, so minus 4. Now I am going to find the cofactor of 2. It is in column 2 and row 2. On eliminating the 3 numbers, I get the remaining is minus 3. So the sign convention plus. So plus into minus is minus, so minus 3. What is this 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3? It is the cofactor of A. I hope you are following me. But we have to find adjoint A, right? How can we find that? Yes, we have to change the row 1 into column 1 and row 2 into column 2. What is row 1? Row 1 is plus 2 minus 6. I am going to make it as column 1. That is plus 2 minus 6 as column 1. That is adjoint A. Then I am going to make the row 2 into column 2. That is minus 4 minus 3. Okay. This is the adjoint A. Clear? Do you understand? Okay. Now let's go to the second problem. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, we have already found 2 cross 2 matrix. This is the adjoint for 3 cross 3 matrix. I am going to take this as A. The sign convention for 3 cross 3 matrix is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Okay? It starts with plus and minus come alternatively. Plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Okay? Now we have to find the cofactor of 2. It is in row 1 and column 1. On eliminating these two, row 1 and column 1, 4, 1 and 7, 2 are remaining, right? Now we have to multiply 4 into 2 minus 7 into 1. Okay? 4 into 2 minus 7 into 1. That is 8 minus 7, that is 1. Now I am using the sign convention plus. So I am writing plus 1. Okay? Now we have to find the cofactor of 3. It is in the row 1 and column 2, isn't it? So eliminating these numbers, I have 3, 1, 3, 2 as remaining. What is that? 3, 1, 3, 2. I am going to calculate the value, that is cross multiply 3 into 6 minus 3 into 1. Sorry, 3 into 2 minus 3 into 1. That is 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Using the sign convention for the term, the place, it is minus. So minus of plus 3 is minus 3. Okay? Now we have to find the cofactor of 1. Where is 1? It is in row 1 but column 3. Eliminating the row 1 and column 3 numbers, what is the remaining? It is 3, 4, 3 and 7. Isn't it? I am going to cross multiply 3 into 7 minus 3 into 4. Okay? That is 21 minus, 3 into 4. Okay? So 21 minus 12, that is equal to 9. Okay? The sign convention for that place is plus. So plus 9. Hope you are following me. Now we have to find the cofactor for 3. Where is 3? It is in the second row and first column. Eliminating the second row and first column, we have 3, 1 and 3, 7, 2 as remaining. 3, 1 and 7, 2. On cross multiplication, 3 into 2 minus 7 into 1. That is 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. Here, the sign convention for that place is already minus. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Now I have to find the cofactor of 4. Where is 4? It is in row 2 and column 2. On eliminating these two rows and columns, what is remaining? 2, 1 and 3, 2. Okay? 2, 1 and 3, 2. I am going to do cross multiplication. That is 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1, which is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. The sign convention for that place is plus. So plus 1. Clear? Now we have to find the cofactor of 1. It is in the column 3 and row 2. Okay? Now eliminating the column 1 and row 2, I have 2, 3 and 7 as the remaining elements. 2, 3, 3, 7. Now I am doing cross multiplication. 2 into 7 minus 3 into 3, that is 14 minus 9, which is equal to 5. Okay? The sign convention for that place is minus, so minus 5. Okay? Now I am going to find the cofactor of 3. Where is 3? It is in row 3 and column 1. Isn't it? Row 3 and column 1. On eliminating the row 3 and column 1, we have 3, 1 and 4, 1 as remaining elements. On cross multiplication, 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1, that is 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. The sign convention for that place is plus. So I am writing plus of minus 1 is minus 1. Now we have to find the cofactor for 7. Where is 7? It is in row 3 and column 2. On eliminating the numbers, we get 2 and 1, 3, 1. On cross multiplication, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1, that is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. The sign convention for that place is already minus. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Now we have to find the cofactor of 2. The 2 is in row 3 and column 3. Eliminating the numbers, we get 2, 3, 3, 4 as remaining. On cross multiplication, 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3, that is 8 minus 9, which is equal to minus 1. The sign convention of that place is already positive, so plus of minus 1 is minus 1. This is the cofactor of A. Okay? Take this as a rough column. Okay? Now I have found the cofactor of A. Now what we should find? Adjoint of A, isn't it? How can you find that? It is very easy. That is, we have to change the rows of the cofactor into columns. Okay? Row 1 into column 1. Row 2 into column 2. That is row 1 into column 1. 1 minus 3, 9 as column. Row 2, 1, 1 minus 5 as column 2. That is 1, 1 minus 5. I am writing as a column. Now I am taking row 3 in the cofactor minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and I am changing it into column 3, that is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now I am going to write the adjoint A again, that is 1 minus 3, 9, that is row 1 as column 1. I am taking row 2, 1, 1 minus 5 as column 5. I am taking row 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 as column 3. This is the adjoint of A. Clear? I have found the cofactor, then I have found the adjoint A. So with this, exercise 1.1 subdivision 1 and 2 is over. We can see the remaining problems in the next video. If you have any doubts, please comment down and I will clear it for you. Okay? Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parveena Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off.